Hello. So let's presume you've just been assigned a research paper by someone like me, an excellent, upstanding citizen, an English teacher. So what do? You gotta go to the library, but what should you do even before you get to the library? And then once you get there, what do you do? Well, to answer this question, I have Ruth Fuller.
Hello.
And Aaron Duane.
Hi.
Two of the best librarians in the world. Not Solano County,
Like
the world. I'll put them up head to head with anybody. Boxing, Dewey Decimal System stuff, alphabetization, you know.
Actually, Library of Congress.
Do it. I'll take you there. Okay, so here they are. What do we do? Just got the assignment. What do I do?
The first thing you want to do, and this may seem obvious, but it can be a problem, is you need to make sure you understand what you need to do.
Okay.
Really read the assignment.
You need to read the assignment. You need to understand what kind of sources your instructor wants you to be using.
Okay.
You also should map out a fair amount of time to conduct your research, because it takes some time to think through the topic and to refine the topic and to also refine your research as you go along. So you may start on one path but find yourself taking another path as you move along. So giving yourself some time is important.
And along with that goes really digging through your topic and discovering a topic that you can actually spend some time and some energy on, as opposed to something that you're not really interested in. So I was thinking of a topic like if you had global warming, and let's say you're not really interested in vehicle emissions or current legislation on global warming or dealing with the topic, but let's say you're interested in people who think that global warming is actually okay.
Okay.
So that seems sort of controversial and something interesting that you could spend some time researching.
Absolutely. Okay. Anything else? Anything else?
You also, as well, once you've done some brainstorming and thought about your topic, and really you can come into the library at any point in this process. It just depends on how much time you want to spend in here.
Okay.
You also want to make sure that you know how to come in and get help.
Okay.
That you know that the reference desk is up against the windows when you first walk into the library, and a librarian is there to help you out. And when the library is open, somebody will be there for the sole purpose of helping with your research.
Excellent.
So plan some time to come in and work with the librarians. Visit the library website. Get used to some of the library resources.
Okay.
And then also make sure that you track the sources you use.
Okay.
Because you will be required to cite your sources, and it's very important to keep track of what you're using.
But let's get this clear. You mean there's librarians hired by Solano College to help students learn to research?
Absolutely.
And we actually like to work with students.
And they like students. Not just the kiss-ups. Not the, I want to do a 40-page paper instead of 30. No. Even the people are just going to do 2 pages. But they're going to try. So, what else? Anything else?
There's lots of things.
I've got a good tip. Here's my tip for students when they go to the library. Be quiet.
Oh,
right?
There you go.
You should really not talk and have the cool the phone jingle. What are those? Ringtones.
Put it on silent.
Yeah.
Just put it on silent. For the love of God, it's not that cool. There's 11,000 people in this college. Oh boy, you got the cool new ringtone. Yeah, we don't care. We want to study. Okay? So, see, now I can get the heat. So you
go.
I can't believe you said that on the internet about my ringtone.
But the library is a place to come and do your academic work and talk with a librarian and
work with
other
other
students.
Yeah.
It is a student learning space.
We're not big shushers. We're really not.
Don't shush, but don't push you either.
No.
Right?
Behavior's a whole other issue.
Behavior's a whole... Don't get me going.
Yeah.
So this way. You want to go to Yale, you go to that library, they tell you to shut the heck up, and you do it.
I'm gonna snap the ruler.
Or you don't get into Skull and Bones, and then you can't be president.
Right.
So anyways, ladies, thank you. Have an incredible Easter break. Anything
you.
else?
You as well.
Okay, so see you later.